Stuff from the curves. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs. 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 Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs.
Say good morning. Say have a good day.
Hi guys, I'm to do a vlog.
I'm coming. Say I love you. How much is that?
Hey guys, we are going on the road so you can see. I have a little glitter on my face. And I have my cat ears going, so we're gonna take you along with us. So,
say hi, Cufflinks.
hi, look,
Say Cufflinks in the building.
come here, Rena.
Say it on the camera. Cufflinks in the building.
Come here, Rena.
What's up, Cufflinks fam? You don't know it's your girl Bella Renee. That's Jaden.
Mommy, that's Daisy. You guys over here. Say hi to me.
And there's Bree Bree. She's doing her
Hi,
vlog.
baby.
She's doing her vlog around there.
Mommy.
Yeah, she needs to get her own
Hi,
channel.
baby.
And then there's Mama Bass.
I forgot to find food.
Day out, yeah. Traffic like crazy. This is what Christmas does. This is what Christmas does. Bella, drive, show them, drive.
Drive.
Drive, vroom, vroom.
Wait, man.
How fast are you going? Say
Say
goodbye.
Goodbye.
What? Where are we going?
Okay, because
What is that? You sure?
It's always concerned.
So what do you think about that?
I saw.
What? I like your dress.
What?
Here. Do this. Get it. Get it, girl. Get it, girl.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the curves. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs. 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 Go Bria, go Bill, go Brian. Stuff from
Mama wants mine in a cold. I want mine in a cold.
They don't have it in cones, baby.
stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the curves. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs.
you guys when two came out. I'm so excited. Look.
Bria lost her first tooth, guys.
Yeah, I took it out and I felt something.
Growing girl. Wow, you're becoming a big girl. What's this? Pate. That one says pate.
Thank you.
Bella, sit. 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 Where's Bella? Give me one for Bella, please.
Oh. Here, Mom.
Good girl. See? Bella, see? Bella says Bria don't have any and Bella just give Bria one.
These are my presents.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was.
Thank you.
Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things right. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
All right, fish soup in the building. Yep. So I'm about to do some jerk lobster right about now. So I prepared my lobster and I'm going to season them and butter them and put them on the grill. And I'm going to use a little Maggi jerk seasoning, a little black pepper and a little lemon pepper, which is salt free.
If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cups is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cups, stuff from the cups, stuff from the cups, stuff from the cups. Stuff from the cups, go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cups, stuff from the cups. Stuff from the cups, stuff from the cups. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cups is here to make things bright.
Thanks for
In
your
a world so
patience.
dark, they're bringing some light.
Guys, this is unsalted butter,
Stuff from the cups,
melted.
stuff from the cups, stuff from the cups, stuff from the cups, stuff from the cups. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cups, stuff from the cups. Stuff from the cups, stuff from the cups. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild.
Happy holidays, Jamaica.
I am Basilia Barnaby Cuff,
And I am Brian Cuff.
and we are broadcasters and YouTubers from the channel Stuff from the Cuffs.
And guys, we just want to big up all the healthcare workers out there who've been putting their life on the line for us so that we can stay in. You've been going out day by day, and we just want to say thank you. Enough love, enough big ups, and we continue to pray and support you.
Thank you for all the sacrifices that you've made, especially in times when you've had to stay away from your family so that we could stay with ours. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Happy holidays.
Happy birthday to you.
After 3.
You now. How old are you now? How old are you now? Happy birthday to you and many more.
After 3, all right.
After 3, everybody blow. 1, 2, 3, go.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In the world so dark, they're bringing some love.